In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a custom HTML template on Mailchimp, which works on all plans. With just a few simple steps, you'll soon have your own unique design ready to use in your email campaigns. Let's begin with preparing your HTML file. Before you jump into uploading, it's crucial to ensure that your HTML file is clean and well formatted. This means checking for any syntax errors and making sure the structure is solid, as this will prevent issues when you eventually upload it to Mailchimp. Once you've thoroughly checked the file, the next step is to save it as a .html file. This format is necessary for Mailchimp to recognize and handle the template correctly. Moving on, the next phase is to log into your Mailchimp account. Go to mailchimp.com and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you are on your dashboard, the pathway to getting your template set up involves a few clicks. Start by selecting Content from the menu and then choose Email Templates. This section is where all your email templates live, and it's precisely where you want to add your custom design. From here, you'll want to click on Create Template, which will start the process of setting up your new design. Now that you're in the right spot, look at the left panel and click on Code Your Own. This option is perfect for those of you bringing in a custom HTML design. The next screen that appears is where you'll upload your custom HTML. Here, you select Import Zip. If you've prepared a zip file with all the necessary components, including your HTML file, you can proceed by clicking Browse to locate and upload your .html file from your computer. As you upload, keep in mind some crucial tips to optimize your template further. If your template includes external images, make sure that all the URLs are correct and accessible, ensuring that your images display just right in the final email. Additionally, it is highly advisable to make your design mobile friendly using responsive design techniques. This ensures that your email maintains its look across all devices. Remember that most email clients won't support JavaScript or external CSS, so it's best to avoid these elements to maintain compatibility. Once you've ensured everything is in order and you're satisfied with how your template looks, you can save it by clicking Save and Close. This final action secures your design in Mailchimp, ready to include in your upcoming campaign, and there you have it, your own custom HTML email template is now successfully uploaded to Mailchimp, ready to dazzle your subscribers. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your email campaigns.